DWR. DWR stands for Durable Water Repellent. It's a treatment that can be applied to a face fabric of a garment that causes water to bead rather than to sink into the material. Its job is to keep the face fabric of your outerwear free of water so the membrane beneath can continue to breathe and move moisture from the inside out. So it's not just about keeping the water out, but preserving the breathability of the membrane. If you were to look at DWR coating under a microscope, it would look similar to rectangular pillars standing up on the fabric. These pillars are what keep your garment from wetting out. Close enough together, they stop the rain and the moisture from sinking down into the fabric and blocking the membrane, yet far enough apart that they let moisture escape from the inside, driven by heat from our bodies. Over time, these tiny pillars can become flatter and as a result, less able to do their job of protecting the membrane. This is why it's so important to maintain the DWR coating, allowing your garment to work at its full potential. We have 3 products to help you maintain your technical outerwear so that you can feel confident when striking out on any adventure. Firstly, to properly maintain all your gear, your outdoor apparel wash is the best way to clean your technical garments, keeping them in top condition and ready for reproofing when required. After washing, reproof wash-in is an easy way to revitalise your entire kit in one easy wash. Or our reproof spray allows you to be more targeted and reinforce areas that encounter a higher level of abrasion, such as elbows, knees and shoulders. It's important to avoid generic detergents and conditioners as the chemicals found in them will compromise the technical fabrics and reduce their effectiveness. Make sure to always follow the individual care instructions provided for each garment when reproofing, washing or drying.